Robbie, and I need to know what acids and bases are. Can you explain them to me, please?
Why, of course. I know all there is to know about chemistry, because I am named after the pair of chemists that pioneered toaster oven technology.
So what is your name?
My name is Nisha Hoskins.
So, Mr. Hoskins, what are acids and bases?
A base is a compound that increases the concentration of hydroxide ions in an aqueous solution. Bases have pH values above 7. A pH value of 7 indicates neutrality. An acid is a compound that increases the concentration of hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution. Acids have pH values below 7.
So how can you tell if a solution is basic or acidic?
Rather than calculating or testing pH values, you can tell acids and bases apart by their texture and taste. Acids taste sour and feel rough. They also conduct electricity and react with metals. Bases taste bitter and feel soapy or slippery. They also conduct electricity, but do not react with metals.
Is that all there is to know?
Heavens, no. I haven't even begun to talk about Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases.
What exactly are those?
The Bronsted-Lowry model explains that acids are proton donors and bases are proton acceptors. Keep in mind that a proton is simply a hydrogen atom that has lost its electron.
Sweet bro, why do I talk like this? Because I'm a robot. Let's recap. An acid is a substance that increases the concentration of hydrogen ions when dissolved in an aqueous solution. Acids also have pH values below 7, rough textures, and sour tastes. According to the Bronsted-Lowry model, an acid is a proton donor.
And a base is a substance that increases the concentration of hydroxide ions when dissolved in an aqueous solution. Bases also have pH values above 7, soapy or slippery textures, and bitter tastes. According to the Bronsted-Lowry model, a base is a proton acceptor.
Thanks, Mr. Hoskins. Robbie out.
Okay. Are you recording it?
Yeah, it's recording. Tomatoes, lemons, oranges, and general citric acids can be tested with paper litmus, turning it from blue to red, like the unpolluted rain overhead, which is also an acid with a pH of 5 that makes environmentalists jump and jive like they're on Mountain Dew, which is an acid too. The opposites of acids are bases. They can be found in many places, like baking soda and borax, and soaps. To the max, yeah, pH is a measurement of hydroxide concentration. Yeah, pH is a measurement of hydroxide concentration. Yay!
To find the pH, you take the negative log times the hydrogen ion concentration. And you want to find pH in order to tell if a solution is more acidic or basic, or if it's neutral. To find the pOH, you take the negative log times the hydroxide ion concentration. And you want to find the pOH in order to find the pH in some cases.
In the forward reaction, H2O, water, acts as an acid as it donates a proton to ammonia, NH3. In the reverse reaction, NH4, ammonium, acts as an acid as it donates a proton to hydroxide, which would be the base. Ha-ha!
Okay. To find the hydrogen ion concentration value, you take 10 to the negative pH value. And pH plus pOH always equals 14. So you can do the math for that one. We can cut that.